Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to send the photos from one Aura frame to another, this video is going to show you the easiest and the most effective methods. So first of all, you need to understand one thing. Aura does not directly transfer the photos between the frames, but you can do it through the application. So you need to simply open the Aura application on your phone. Afterwards, you just have to simply select the photo which you want to send. After selecting the photo, you just have to simply look for the option of share. So when you see the share option, you just have to choose the Aura frame from the list. After doing this, you just have to basically confirm the upload. So the photo will now appear on the second frame. When uploading the new photos, make sure that you select multiple photos from your phone. Before uploading, choose more than one frame. So this way the same photo will be added to multiple Aura frames at once. This is by far the easiest way if you want both the frames to show the same pictures. Now, if the photo is already in one frame, but it is not showing the option of share, you can just simply download the photo on your phone first, then you can just simply upload it again, and now you need to select the second frame. Aura sometimes does not allow direct resharing from the frame memory, so re-upload is going to work for you. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.